Click cell F5. Cell F5 contains a data validation rule, limiting cell entries to whole numbers ranging from 1 to 5. You want to add an input message alerting users to this rule. Click the Data tab in the Data Tools group. Click the Data Validation button. The Data Validation dialog box opens with the Settings tab active. The Settings tab displays the validation criteria for the current rule. In the Data Validation dialog box, click the Input message. Your input message will explain the data parameters to the user. Note that the checkbox to show the input message when the cell is selected is checked. You will accept this setting. Click the Title text box, then type Store Rating Parameters in the text box. Click the Input Message text box, then type Enter a whole number from 1 to 5 in the text box. Click OK. The dialog box closes and Excel displays the input message.